Okay, so I wasn't filming, but I got a little dog. It's Moses perch. Stuff me. Wasn't really expecting to get one of you guys out of there. Oh, yeah, we got something. What is it? Oh, it's a little jack. And he didn't even hit the flaming surface when he ate it. Are you kidding? Didn't even see it, just felt the dog. Little jack dog. Not bad, not bad. I was starting to think we weren't going to get one. Oh, he's only small though still. He's alright. There you go. Little dog. Just gotta make sure he gets food. Stuff me. You. Oh, yeah, got him. What is that? Freaking cod, of course it's cod. It's not even that big. Frig. There we go. Oh shit, mate. You're gnarly. Don't do that. There you go, little black spot estuary cod. Go on in. I'm just going to put on a gusty minnow. It's a, what is it, chaseback. Yeah, bought a heap of them the other day from Anaconda because they're selling for $2.50 each. So I got a heap of the dogs. I don't know why they're so cheap. And there you have it. Alright, so surely I can pull something off this rock on the diver. Seems to swim alright. Oh, yes. Oh, I did too. Oh, what is that? Oh, pretty cod. Oh, it is too. Stuff me. Nearly friggin' dust me back in that rock. There he is. Codlet. Gusty minnow. These guys are very annoying to deal with. There you go, mate. Off he goes.